Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The journey begins far away from the noise of the city, where winding country lanes weave through rolling green fields, and the landscape feels like a painting come to life. Here, in one of the most picturesque pockets of the English countryside, stands a 2500 home that blends timeless charm with modern luxury. As we approach, the first thing that captures your attention is the serenity. The air feels crisper, the silence becomes comforting, and the home reveals itself slowly, like a quiet secret waiting to be discovered. It's a place where elegance feels effortless and nature feels close enough to touch. This countryside residence sits on a gentle rise, overlooking sweeping vistas that stretch for miles. The facade is classic English architecture. Stone walls, soft neutral tones, and perfectly aged textures that hint at heritage yet remain warm and inviting. The driveway curves gracefully, bordered by manicured hedges, wildflowers, and mature trees. It's the type of arrival that instantly slows down your thoughts, making you feel grounded and at peace. As you step toward the entrance, the charm becomes undeniable. The large timber door, framed by soft, climbing greenery, opens into a foyer that immediately sets the tone for what lies ahead. Inside, natural light pours in generous streams, filling the space with a golden glow. The flooring is traditional hardwood, rich in character, and the subtle scent of oak reminds you that quality craftsmanship is at the heart of this home. To your left, an inviting living room stretches out, a space crafted for comfort, warmth, and gathering. Deep set windows frame the countryside views like moving artwork. Every season would bring a new scene to enjoy. Golden fields in summertime, frost. Dusted mornings in winter, and breathtaking sunsets year-round. The furnishings blend classic English style with modern touches. Plush sofas, textured fabrics, and earthy tones that complement the outdoor palette. A stone fireplace sits at the heart of the room, its mantel simple yet elegant, promising cozy evenings and gentle crackling warmth. Moving deeper into the home, the sense of spaciousness grows. The layout is thoughtful, designed for both everyday living and sophisticated entertaining. The kitchen is a masterpiece of practicality and style. With exposed beams overhead, handcrafted cabinetry, and a large central island, it feels like the perfect blend of countryside charm and high-end design. Soft grays, warm creams, and brushed metal accents work harmoniously to create an atmosphere that feels refined yet rustic. The range cooker, farmhouse sink, and marble countertops make this kitchen ideal for cooking, hosting, and creating memories. Sunlight floods the breakfast area through expansive windows, offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Imagine this: mornings spent sipping coffee while watching the mist lift slowly off the distant hills. It's the type of moment that reminds you of the value of simplicity, peace, and natural beauty. Connected to the kitchen is a formal dining room, a room that elevates every meal. Soft lighting casts a warm glow, and the long wooden table is perfectly placed to enjoy the views outside. Whether it's a family dinner or a special celebration, this room creates the perfect ambience for meaningful gatherings. From here, the home flows effortlessly into a second living area, more informal, more intimate. A snug, as the English would call it. With soft lighting, built-in bookshelves, and comfortable seating, it's the ideal spot for reading, unwinding, or simply enjoying a quiet evening. Every corner feels intentional, and every detail feels curated to create a sense of harmony. As we walk toward the main corridor, the architectural features become more pronounced. The ceilings are high, the lines are clean, and the materials are natural. Wooden beams, stone details, and artisanal touches speak to a deep respect for traditional English design while still embracing a modern lifestyle. Climbing the staircase, your gaze is drawn to the craftsmanship. The railing is smooth to the touch, and each step feels sturdy and perfectly constructed. When you reach the landing, The expansive hallway gives a sense of openness, with skylights that illuminate the upstairs spaces throughout the day. Primary bedroom is a retreat in every sense. Spacious yet intimate, luxurious yet soothing, it's designed to be a place of complete rest. Large windows bring the countryside inside, allowing the natural colors of the fields and skies to influence the room's calming palette. The bed is grand and inviting, with soft linens that create an atmosphere of effortless comfort. A seating area near the window offers the perfect spot to lounge, meditate, or simply watch the world unfold outside. The ensuite bathroom is equally impressive. Marble finishes, brushed gold fixtures, and a freestanding tub positioned near the window create a spa-like experience. Imagine ending your day with a warm bath while watching the sunset paint the sky. Moments like these turn an ordinary evening into something special. The additional bedrooms carry the same sense of thoughtful design. Each room has its own personality, yet remains consistent in quality and style. Soft textures, warm tones, and large windows make each space welcoming and serene. The family bathroom continues the theme of understated luxury, leak lines high, end materials, and a layout built for both beauty and function. As we move further down the hallway, we enter a dedicated office space, perfect for modern living. With stunning views, built-in shelving, and a peaceful atmosphere, it's the ideal environment for creativity, productivity, or quiet reflection. Working from home here would feel less like a task and more like a privilege. There's also a versatile bonus room, an area that can be shaped to fit any need. A playroom, a studio, a fitness space. The possibilities are endless. This flexibility adds tremendous value to the home, ensuring it adapts seamlessly to different lifestyles. Heading back downstairs, we transition into the entertainment wing. Here, the home reveals another side to its personality, a social, inviting, and dynamic energy. A large family room provides ample space for movie nights, gatherings, or weekend relaxation. The design remains consistent with the rest of the home, warm, elegant, and timeless. A beautifully designed bar area brings a touch of sophistication. The lighting is soft and ambient, creating a lounge-like atmosphere. Whether hosting close friends or enjoying a quiet evening, this area elevates every moment. From here, large glass doors open to the terrace, where the line between indoor and outdoor living becomes beautifully blurred. Stepping outside reveals one of the home's greatest assets, the breathtaking landscape that surrounds it. The terrace is crafted for both leisure and luxury, offering space for dining, relaxing, and entertaining. The outdoor area flows seamlessly into the expansive garden. Rolling lawns, wildflower patches, mature trees, and carefully curated plantings combine to create a space that feels both natural and refined. The gentle slope of the land provides uninterrupted views of the valley, fields, and horizon. It's a scene that captures the essence of countryside living. Walking along the garden path, you discover a private seating area, a small sanctuary perfect for evening conversations or peaceful solitude. Nearby, a stone patio offers space for outdoor dining, complete with string lights that create magical nights under the open sky. The sound of nature fills the air, chirping birds, rustling leaves, and a distant breeze that seems to whisper across the landscape. Here, the world feels slower, kinder, and more connected. This home's relationship with nature is one of its most defining features. Every window frames a view worth pausing for, and every outdoor space invites you to engage with the environment. Whether it's the vibrant colors of spring, the golden warmth of summer, the rich tones of autumn, or the crisp beauty of winter, the countryside becomes an ever-changing backdrop that enriches daily life. Now we move toward another special feature of this property, the guest cottage. Just a short stroll from the main house, it offers privacy and comfort for guests or extended family. With its own living space, kitchenette, and bedroom, It provides the perfect combination of independence and inclusion. The design mirrors the main home with warm tones, natural materials, and charming details that make it feel instantly welcoming. Returning to the main house, we explore the utility areas that elevate everyday convenience. A well-equipped laundry room, abundant storage spaces, and a large mudroom ensure that practicality remains a priority. Living in the countryside often means outdoor adventures, and these spaces make it easy to transition from nature back into comfort without effort. Another highlight of this home is the expansive garage, which offers ample storage and workspace. Whether for vehicles, hobbies, or equipment, it's a space that supports an active, versatile lifestyle. As the tour continues, the architectural integrity of the home becomes even more evident. Every line, texture, and detail has been executed with care. The materials are high quality, the design is cohesive, and the atmosphere is genuinely inviting. It's a home that feels lived in even when empty, a rare quality that speaks to its warmth and personality. One of the most captivating aspects of this countryside retreat is how it balances luxury with authenticity. Nothing feels excessive. Instead, everything feels appropriate, thoughtful, and seamlessly integrated into its surroundings. This is luxury that doesn't need to shout. It whispers with confidence and charm. Walking through the home again, you notice small touches that enrich the experience. The gentle curve of an archway, the subtle grain in the wooden floors, the soft echo of your footsteps in the hallway, the warmth of natural light dancing across stone surfaces. These details create a sense of craftsmanship that is both timeless and deeply satisfying. We revisit the living room where the view through the windows changes subtly as the sun shifts. The fields glow in the afternoon light, and the sky begins to hint at softer colors, pastels that promise a beautiful sunset. Sitting here, you can't help but imagine the moments that could unfold. Family gatherings, celebrations, quiet weekends, and evenings spent watching the countryside transform with the seasons. The home's energy is grounding. It encourages presence. It invites you to slow down, to breathe, and to appreciate life's simple, beautiful details. It's the kind of place where memories grow naturally, where mornings begin with gratitude, and where evenings end with contentment. Now, as the sun lowers in the sky, we step outside once more. The landscape is bathed in warm, golden light. The hills glow, the gardens shimmer, and the air becomes cooler and softer. This is the countryside at its finest, a living, breathing masterpiece that surrounds the home and completes its story. Standing on the terrace, the depth of the view becomes almost mesmerizing. Layer upon layer of fields, forests, and distant horizons stretch endlessly. The colors shift from gold to orange, then to deep amber. It's a spectacle that turns everyday life into something extraordinary. This home, priced at $2,500,000, is far more than a property. It's an experience, a lifestyle, and a sanctuary. It offers the beauty of nature, the charm of English architecture, and the comfort of refined living, all wrapped in a sense of peace that is increasingly rare in today's world. As darkness approaches, the house begins to glow softly from within. Warm light spills from the windows, creating a scene straight out of a countryside dream. It feels like a safe haven, a place where you belong, where life feels meaningful, and where the outside world fades into gentle quiet. Walking away, you realize that homes like this aren't just built. They're crafted, imagined, and perfected. Every detail has purpose, and every moment spent here feels uniquely special. The countryside, the architecture, the lifestyle, they all merge into a narrative of elegance, comfort, and inspiration. And so, our tour ends where it began, in the quiet embrace of the English countryside. But the feeling stays with you, the beauty, the tranquility, the sense of timelessness. This 2,500,000 home is not just a place to live, It's a place to thrive, to breathe, and to appreciate the art of living well. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to join us again as we explore more extraordinary homes from around the world. Each one tells a story, but this countryside retreat will stay in your memory long after the doors close.